Hello everyone, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Store has stopped, or how you can fix Google Play Store services keep stopping problem on your Android or on your any Samsung, realme or any other Android mobile. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to fix Google Play Store has stopped problem, simply first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.